Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with the latest kit of the month for November 2018. It is a December daily, altered in papers from the Christmas Magic collection by Graphic 45. As always in our kits, you get everything that you need to create the project, including these beautiful die-cut numbers. I've used a signature sheet of paper for the cover, just to set off that it is for 2018. We've got the little elves here and the little girl by the window, and the kit includes glossy accents this time so that you can highlight elements as you work through your album, and also glitter so you can put a bit of Christmas sparkle on there too. So let me take you through what's in the album. Plenty of room inside it so that you can add all of your photos throughout the month or afterwards if you're working backwards. And we've got a decorated spine and back cover with a lovely little holly stamp or Christmas tree stamp on the back and a holly paper. And then inside, lots of places to put your pictures as you work through the month. So I thought we'd start off with a really big picture at the beginning of the month, maybe putting the tree up. In the paper you've got little cutouts that are for each day. So each page represents a day. We've got little photo mats here, the black on the back, cream on the front, so that you can add your pictures and journaling as you work through. So number 2, we've got a little baby there and a nice little tab. Every page has got a tab on it. And then number 3, we've got the beautiful bow, gorgeous paper in the background there, and a little photo mat. So you get the black card and the cream card to be able to create your mats. Little pocket page here for day number 4. And for number 5, I love the spotty papers that Graphic 45 do. And then we've got a slightly larger page here with a nice band across it, room for you to add as much as you want to in there. And again, a plain photo mat on the back. Lots of room for journaling, and you could always use your Christmas stamps to put some Christmas detail on these photo mats as you work through your project too. Nice little pocket page here, and little photo mat again, room to put all sorts in there. Day number 7, a good cheer. Number 8, we've got a double-sided photo mat here, so it is actually see-through. And then the photo mat, you can put pictures on both sides. One picture or a number of pictures, and that just slides back into the page. Like that. So that's 8 and 9. 10 and 11, the middle pages are little split pages. So again, nice pockets for you to be able to put whatever you want into them. They flip over with a tab, and then different little pockets on the back for 12 and 13. Again, places for you to slip your memories behind. 14 and 15, again, mirror the opposite pages. And both of those flip over with a tab. And then we've gone blue. I love the blue paper with a little Christmas babies, Christmas elves on. So 16 and 17 are in the blue. 18 and 19, double-sided page again with that see-through acetate centre for you to add whatever you fancy in there. Ooh, can't get the photo mat back in. It should slide in nice and easily. And then 20, we've got a nice little banded page again in the beautiful red check. 21, room to put photos on the page base as well as the photo mat, of course. 22, Father Christmas and the little baby. I've gone blue for that page to match the green stripes. And flipping over, we've got the lovely script paper with the little hobby horse, little girl on the hobby horse. Nice little photo mat. 24 Christmas themed Christmas tree and all of the Christmas babies. And then 25, we've got 2 photo mats on the left hand side of the page that pull out, and again room to put whatever you fancy on that base page as well. And then this page actually lifts out, so it's got magnets in it, so it will clip back into the book, so you can have it either way. It does have a double photo frame so that you can put pictures on both sides, and then that just pushes back into the frame, and the whole thing will sit whichever way you want to put your picture, maybe of your Christmas dinner, on your page. And then we've got to the back of the book. So I hope you like that. I hope you feel inspired and want to make it. I'll put the link to the it's the November kit of the month, underneath the video description. If you want to pre-order yours now, we're taking orders up to the 31st of October, and kits are always shipped on the second Thursday of the month. So this is the November kit. So if you order a kit, it will be shipped on the second Thursday in November, out to domestic and international locations. As I say, everything you need to make the album, apart from tools and double-sided tape, is included in the kit. So I hope you like that. I hope you feel inspired to make a Graphic 45 December daily. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the project, and subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with new projects as they come out.